This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing both phone and PC so commands work reliably. Enable developer options and USB debugging. Install LADB and Fastboot tools on your computer so you have the correct drivers and binaries. Once done, connect the phone via a known good USB cable and boot to Fastboot using volume down plus power or run a DB reboot bootloader. You do this to ensure the device responds to Fastboot commands, because without a clean connection, the next steps will fail. Now diagnose the issue. Run Fastboot devices to confirm the PC sees your Redmi. If no device appears, reinstall drivers and retry. Once visible, determine whether you need to unlock the bootloader. Only do this if necessary and after backing up, because unlocking wipes user data. Then use Fastboot flash commands to write the appropriate partitions: boot, recovery, or complete factory images. You do this to replace corrupted partitions and restore a working Fastboot environment. Finish by syncing everything and rebooting. Run Fastboot reboot and observe the normal boot. If the phone boots, verify functionality and relock the bootloader if desired. If you hit a boot loop or Fastboot still fails, flash the stock boot and persist partitions, then test again. If problems persist, try alternate USB ports, cables, or use EDL mode for low-level recovery. You take these troubleshooting steps because hardware, cable, or partition issues are the most common remaining causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.